Who will pay my medical bills after an accident? Hi, I'm John Medler, personal injury lawyer for the Medler Law Firm. Today I'd like to talk about who is going to pay for your medical bills after an accident caused by someone else's negligence. Let's say that you're in an accident. The first thing that you need to know is, were you in an accident as a result of you working for your employer? Let's say you're a delivery person and you're in the delivery truck and you're injured as you're doing your job. If you're injured as part of your work, then your medical bills are going to be paid by workers' compensation. That means that your employer, out of a special fund or pool of money that they have, is going to pay for your medical bills. One thing you need to know about that is that in a workers' compensation case, your employer gets to direct your medical care. So if you want to go to Dr. X, but your employer wants you to go to Dr. Y, you're required to go to Dr. Y. If you decide to go to Dr. X, you got to pay for it yourself. And generally speaking, what will happen is that your employer will pay your medical bills. If it wasn't an injury caused through the scope and course of your employment, then you do like you normally would, and you submit your health insurance card. That could be your private health insurance like Anthem or Blue Shield or something like that. It could be Medicaid if you're a person of low income. It could be Medicare if you're an elderly person, and it could be something called TRICARE if you're in the military. Basically, submit your health insurance card and your bills are going to be paid by your health insurance company. If you have no health insurance, one thing that you can do is go to your health provider and ask if they will take your case and give you medical treatment on a lien basis. That means they'll basically give your personal injury lawyer a letter that says, when this case is done at the end, please pay me out of the settlement. One final source of funds is what's called MedPay. Many times on your auto insurance, you'll get a benefit that's called MedPay. Sometimes it might be $5,000, $10,000, something like that. And that will basically pay you for your medical bills in an accident, regardless of who's at fault. So check with your own auto insurer to find out if you've got MedPay. It's as simple as sending over your medical bills to the auto insurer, and they should be able to give you that check. So that's who's going to pay your medical bills. If you've got more questions about things like who's going to pay my medical bills, or questions relating to personal injury, check out our website at www.medlerlawfirm.com.